In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to remove duplicate photos on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Photos app, then scroll down until you find the Utilities section. Here, tap on Duplicates. This option will only appear if your iPhone has already identified duplicate photos in your library. Now you'll see a group of duplicate images. You can either tap Merge on a single set or tap Select if you want to choose multiple sets at once. Then select the photos you want to merge or simply tap Select All to choose everything. After that, tap Merge at the bottom of the screen. You'll be given option to merge exact duplicates or photos that look similar but may have slight differences like resolution or file format. Once you confirm by tapping Merge items, your iPhone will continue the duplicates into one high-quality photo while keeping important details like captions, keywords, and favorites. The extra duplicate photos will be moved to recently deleted folder where you can permanently remove them later if needed, and that's it. This is how you can easily remove duplicate photos on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.